Welcome to the 60-second update with the Royal Air Force from RAF Shawbury.
As part of a coordinated international effort with France, Jordan and the United States, RAF Typhoons successfully intercepted and destroyed a number of Iranian drones that were launched against Israel. Chinooks of 28th Army Cooperation Squadron from RAF Benson have just completed Exercise Kukri Dawn, training alongside the Joint Helicopter Support Squadron at RAF Valley. The exercise is the culmination of several years of flying training for aircrew who simulated real-life operational missions and tasking such as helicopter assault and complex underslung loads. On the 14th of April, current and former serving members of the RAF and their families gathered at St Clement Danes, the central church of the RAF, for our annual Founders Day service. This year, we recognised RAF Reserves as 2024 marks 100 years of the Royal Auxiliary Air Force. The RAF Falcons parachute display team have been signed off to display in the 2024 season. Expect to see an announcement on their schedule very soon.
That's all for this week. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.